Hello fans and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be taking you through a list of the best Kenyan street food in Kenya's capital Nairobi. As a result of the growing popularity of street food in Nairobi, the capital city which is a blend of several tribes and cultures, sellers are forced to add unique touches to their delicacies in order to attract customers. Nairobi's population is mostly low income, and because food kiosks are inexpensive, they are the primary source of lunch for most of them. Street food culture is growing as a result of people in the capital choosing to enter the fast food industry. Thank you so much for staying tuned. To my visitors, you are welcome. Number 1 is mshikaki. This is grilled kebab. Meat such as beef, goat, or chicken is typically threaded into skewers. It is then grilled over open charcoal until all is cooked. The meat is first marinated before grilling. From late Thursday to early Saturday night, Kenya's nightlife sector comes alive, especially in Westland's Electric Avenue, which is home to most of the clubs and lodges. Kebab can be found there, as well as outside clubs in the Nairobi Central Business District. Some serve it spicy on skewers, while others include vegetables. Number 2 is mahindi choma. This is grilled maize. Buttered and grilled corn on the cob is a popular meal in many countries. It has a crisp, sweet flavor. Lime, pepper, and salt are also commonly added to it. You will particularly enjoy this street food if you are a vegetarian because it is quite tasty and nutritious. This grilled maize is really filling, giving you plenty of energy to walk around. Number 3 is mahamri, which is deep fried donut. This is a treasured morning staple in Kenya, in addition to being a well-liked street snack. Wheat flour, cardamom, sugar, yeast, and coconut milk are the ingredients used to make this kind of sweetened donut. It turns a golden brown color after being deep fried. The aroma of the donut is strong enough to entice you to taste it from a distance. Other than enhancing the flavor and bringing out the coconut taste, this delicacy tastes better when combined with hot tea. Number 4 is smoky pasua. This is smoked sausage. It is an already cooked sausage that is split into two to make a pocket and then filled with kachumbari, which is fresh tomato and onion salad. It is also topped with chili and tomato sauce if you like. This street food is sold in many towns, usually in white trolleys which also sell boiled eggs. Number 5 is tipomwitu. This is a slight drift on French fries, usually with no unique techniques, yet the results are heavenly. Fries from restaurants cannot match this either. Potatoes are peeled by hand, cut into fry sizes, then deep fried in a deep iron wok that has been heated with charcoal or wood, and the outcome is a little bit on the soft side. The fries are served in a plastic bag and a very thin in consistency tomato sauce added, coating everything evenly, as well as salt. It is then garnished with either shredded cabbage or kachumbari, which is fresh tomato and onion salad. Number 6 is tapo smoky, also known as smocha. This one is made from chapatis and smokies. The chapati is used to wrap the pre-cooked smoked sausage, and kachumbari is added. It is a favorite delicacy for campus and college students. Number 7 is mayai pasua. This is hard-boiled eggs with kachumbari. These boiled eggs are usually sold alongside smoky pasua and samosa. To peel the egg, the shell is cracked with a spoon by the vendors who do it at a supersonic speed. It is sliced into two and filled with pepper or plain kachumbari and a pinch of salt. Number 8 is motura, which is blood sausage. This delicacy costs between 20 and 50 Kenya shillings, depending on the size. It originated from the central Kenya's community. It is a traditional blood-filled sausage made using the intestines as a casing. Alongside the blood, soft organs like liver, kidney, and tripe are chopped to tiny pieces and filled into the intestine. This is done after a thorough cleaning session of the intestine, which are then tied as a knot on one end, filled, then the other end is knotted as well. It is first pre-cooked by boiling, then smoked on a charcoal grill. A point to note though, make sure you buy from a trusted vendor, especially a place that has a butchery. Number 9 is fried cassava. It can be deep fried, boiled, or roasted. The fried variety is a favorite street food in Kenya. It is usually topped with spicy ingredients and a little bit of lemon for an added flavor. Number 10 is mahindi boilo or mahindi chemsha. Green maize is boiled while still in the comb until tender. A little bit of salt is added either after cooking or while still cooking for an added flavor. Number 11 is nyama choma. This is one of the must-try delicacies in Kenya that uses beef or goat meat. The fatty part is always most preferable for frying. It is eaten by hand while dipping into some salt for added flavor. Number 12 is bajia and chips masala. These ones are made from potatoes. To make bajia, potatoes are sliced thinly, then dipped in a batter made of chickpea flour and other spices. It is then deep fried until crispy on the outside but soft in the inside and served hot with a side of kachumbari. The chips masala is deep fried French fries that are then fried again in spices like garam masala, cumin, and paprika. Number 13 is viazi karai. These are fried packed potatoes. These potatoes are not sliced but cooked whole. Unlike bajia, they are boiled, seasoned with spices, then deep fried until crispy on the outside. The spices used are turmeric, cumin, chili, and coriander. The yellow-orange color is from the turmeric. Number 14 is samosa. This is either made from pre-cooked minced meat or vegetables. They are then filled in pockets made from wheat flour and cut into triangles. After filling, they are deep fried until crispy. They are then served with kachumbari once done. Number 15 is kebab. This is minced meat combined with eggs, spices, chopped veggies, and flour, and rolled out into a corn dog shape. It is egg washed and deep fried, taken out, egg washed again and fried. The process is repeated as egg layers are added, cooked, and made more crispy. The outcome is crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside. This marks the end of my list video today. Let me know how many of these street foods you've tried and what your experience was. Also, what have you not tried and why? Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in my next one.